Good morning. We will pay attention to the journals that is used when the petty cash system is used in a business. The owner or the manager will decide how much money must be put into the petty cash so that cash payments can be paid out of petty cash and they don't have to write out a check every time. That increases bank charges. All these transactions that's given to us is petty cash transactions, so it means all the money paid out will be paid out of petty cash. At the beginning of the month, they decided that the petty cash amount should be 500 Rand. So a check was issued to obtain cash to put into the petty cash till. The first check is issued for 500 Rand, so 500 Rand was taken out of the bank and were transferred to petty cash. To obtain cash from the bank, the word cash is written on the check so that the cashier at the bank knows that we don't want to deposit this check, we want to exchange it for money. The check number is number 131. It happened on the 1st. If we record anything in the sundry accounts column, we have to indicate the amount and the ledger account that it will be transferred to. On the 4th, money is paid to the courier of speedy delivery, 180 Rand. So this money is paid out of petty cash and will be recorded in the petty cash journal. We will show that 180 was taken out of petty cash. So in the petty cash column, we will indicate 180 Rand. We don't have a column for delivery costs, so it will be recorded in the sundry accounts column. And when we record something in the sundry accounts column, we have to indicate to which ledger account it will be posted. You will record the petty cash voucher number, the date on which the money is paid out, the purpose, why it was paid out, or to who it was paid out. On the 7th, we pay 150 Rand to a casual worker. Because the money is taken out of the petty cash store, it will be recorded in the petty cash journal, and we will show money is taken out of petty cash and the expense for wages will increase. On the 7th, petty cash voucher 02. Paid 120 Rand for repairs. In the petty cash journal, we will indicate that 120 Rand was taken out of petty cash and we will put it into the sundry accounts column, indicating that it will be posted to the repairs account. Issued a check to restore the impressed amount. So that means we want to see how much money did we already take out of petty cash. 180 plus 150 plus 120, and that will give us 450 Rand. So we have to write out a check for 450 Rand to restore the original amount of 500 so that we have all the money in the petty cash that we've already paid out. Purchase stationery for 80 Rand. In the petty cash journal, we will indicate that 80 Rand was taken out of petty cash and it will be transferred to the stationery account. Paid 150 to a casual worker, so it's money taken out of petty cash, and we will indicate that the wages account will be debited with the 150 Rand. Issued 100 Rand to the local school as a donation, money taken out of petty cash again. The money was given to the school, 100 Rand, and we will indicate that that 100 Rand will be posted to the donation account. So at the end of the month, we will add up all our columns, and we will see that we have a total of 480 Rand in the sundries column, 300 Rand in the wages column, and 780 Rand in the petty cash column. At the end of the month, we have to restore the petty cash impressed amount again, so we must take into account how much money did we take out of the till and write out a check for that amount of money. Since the previous check, we've taken 80 Rand, 150 Rand, and 100 Rand out of the petty cash till. That gives us a total of 330 Rand. So we have to write out a check for 330 Rand and restore the impressed amount, putting the money back in the till. When we use the petty cash system, the money in the till at the beginning of the month must always equal the money at the end of the month. So all the money that was taken out of the till during the month must be replaced at the end of the month, so that they will start with an opening balance of 500 Rand again.